Hello viewers, today I'm again here with my new project. This is my smart fan and this is my smart light, which I'm going to control using a smartphone. So if you want to see the working and components of this project, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So this is my program and these are the components I've used. One smart fan, one LED, one resistor, one breadboard, some jumper cables and crocodile clips and maker board. You might be aware that our maker board has a Bluetooth module. Here, this is the Bluetooth module. And we can connect, so by this we can connect the maker board to our smartphone through Bluetooth easily, and this is the theme of my project too. So in my project I'm going to control the smart fan and LED using the smartphone. So by this project I want to show that how can we control our fan and light using smartphone. So let's check this project together. You can see that this LED is blinking very fast. This LED is telling that the Bluetooth is on but still not connected. And when I will connect the Bluetooth of maker board to the smartphone, this LED will blink 2 times in 10 seconds. So let's check it. I've connected. So now I have connected the Bluetooth of maker board to the smartphone, and you can see the LED is blinking 2 times in 10 seconds. So you can see I have designed 4 buttons, 2 buttons for fan and 2 buttons for the LED. When we will press first button, the fan will get on, and when we will press the second button, the fan will off, and when we will press the third button, the light will be on, and when we will press the fourth button, the light will be off. So let's check it. Now I'm going to press the fan on button. You can see the fan is on, and now I'm going to press the fan off button. You can see the fan is off. Now I'm going to press the light on button. You can see the light is on. Now I'm going to press the light off button. You can see the light is off. Now I'm going to on both fan and light. You can see they both are on. Now I'm going to press fan off and fan and LED off button together. You can see they both are off. So I hope you have enjoyed this project. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.